Have you ever wondered what your job might look like in the next few years? The World Economic Forum's 2025 Insights reveal a transformation, unlike anything we have seen before. By 2030, we're looking at a fundamental shift affecting 22% of today's jobs worldwide. But here's the remarkable part. While 92 million current jobs may phase out, an impressive 170 million new roles will emerge, creating a net gain of 78 million jobs. This isn't just a minor adjustment, it's a complete reimagining of how we work. To understand what this means for each of us, we need to explore 5 crucial areas: the forces driving this change, the role of technology, the evolution of essential skills, the changing job market, and how organizations are responding. Let's begin by understanding what's causing this massive transformation. What exactly is driving this unprecedented change in how we work? The World Economic Forum's comprehensive study, involving over 1,000 leading global employers representing 14 million workers, identifies several key forces converging at once. Leading the charge is digital transformation, with 60% of employers expecting it to revolutionize their operations by 2030. This is not just about adopting new technologies, it's about fundamentally changing how businesses operate, communicate, and deliver value. But technology isn't the only force at play. Despite projected decreases in global inflation, the rising cost of living continues to impact half of all businesses worldwide, forcing them to rethink their operational models and workforce strategies. Perhaps most surprisingly, climate change has emerged as the third most significant trend, with 47% of employers anticipating major operational changes due to climate mitigation efforts. This demonstrates how environmental concerns are no longer just social issues, but are actively reshaping our economic landscape. One of the most pressing questions in this transformation is, will technology replace human workers? The data presents a nuanced picture. While 86% of employers expect AI and information processing to revolutionize their operations, and 58% identify robotics and automation as key disruptors, this is not leading to widespread job displacement. Instead, we are seeing the emergence of a new partnership between humans and machines. Why is this happening? The answer lies in the unique capabilities of both. Machines excel at processing vast amounts of data, performing repetitive tasks, and maintaining consistency. However, they cannot replicate quintessentially human qualities like emotional intelligence, creative problem solving, and complex decision making. This is why the future workplace is not about a replacement. It's about augmentation and collaboration. What skills will matter most in this transformed workplace? The World Economic Forum's analysis shows that by 2030, 39% of core skill sets will need complete transformation. Leading the pack is analytical thinking, valued by 70% of companies. But here's what's fascinating. The most in-demand skills combine technical expertise with distinctly human capabilities. The response to this need has been remarkable. In just 12 months, the proportion of workers actively upskilling has jumped from 41% to 50%. This isn't just about learning new technical skills. It's about developing a comprehensive toolkit that includes critical thinking and complex problem solving, digital literacy and technological adaptability, emotional intelligence and interpersonal skills, leadership and social influence, resilience and adaptability. Where will the jobs of tomorrow be? The answer challenges common assumptions. While technology-related roles like AI specialists and big data analysts continue to see strong demand, the largest absolute growth is occurring in unexpected areas. The frontline services sector, including delivery personnel and construction workers, is experiencing unprecedented expansion. The KI economy is booming, driven by aging populations and increasing focus on well-being. This diversity in job growth reflects a fundamental truth about the future workplace. It's not just becoming more digital, but more human-centric. While some traditional roles, particularly in administrative and clerical work, are declining due to automation, new opportunities are emerging that combine technological literacy with human skills. How are organizations preparing for this seismic shift? The scale of the challenge is immense. 59% of the global workforce will need significant reskilling by 2030. Organizations are responding with unprecedented investments in their workforce. 85% are prioritizing upskilling programs. 70% are actively hiring for new skill sets. And 50% are implementing worker transition programs. Perhaps most significantly, 64% of employers now recognize employee well-being as crucial for success. This isn't just about offering better benefits. It's about creating sustainable, supportive work environment that help people thrive amid constant change. As we look toward 2030, the message is clear. Workplace transformation isn't something happening to us. It's something we are actively shaping. With more than half of employers planning increased investments in their workforce and 50% strategically integrating AI, the opportunities are unprecedented. The question isn't whether change is coming. It's how we'll adapt and thrive in this new landscape. Success will come to those who embrace continuous learning, develop adaptable skill sets, and understand that the future of work is about augmenting human potential, not replacing it. Remember, the future belongs to those who prepare for it today. Thank you for watching this video and joining us on this exploration of tomorrow's workplace.